Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by enabling Bluetooth on both devices. On your phone, turn on Bluetooth tethering or the Bluetooth hotspot option. On Windows 11, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices and switch Bluetooth on. Make sure your PC is discoverable. Once done, put your phone in pairing mode or accept the pairing prompt. You'll see a PIN or confirm code. This step establishes a secure link that allows the phone to share internet. Proceed only after the devices show paired status to avoid connectivity errors. After pairing, you must activate internet sharing from the phone and connect via Windows Network options. On your phone, enable Bluetooth tethering in hotspot and tethering settings. This publishes an access point over the Bluetooth link. Back on Windows 11, open the Bluetooth icon or Settings Bluetooth and Devices, choose your paired phone, and use Connect or join a personal area network, then select Connect using access point. Once connected, Windows will use the phone's internet. Check the network status icon to finish by confirming that Windows reports internet access. Open network status to view IP and DNS details, which verifies routing through the phone. If you see no internet, first toggle Bluetooth tethering on the phone and disconnect/repair the devices, then restart Bluetooth on the PC or restart the Bluetooth support service. Once done, test a web page. If problems persist, use USB tethering or a Wi-Fi hotspot as a fallback because Bluetooth can be slower or blocked by carriers. That's the quickest, reliable way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.